witness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching. This is Wicked Warnings here with a brand new 2020 F-150. As you can see, we've got those very nice new style Lariat taillights. This is the Auto Flasher kit by Wicked Warnings. This is a wire-in module you mount behind the driver's taillight. You'll then run your power activation wires up to your switch on the dashboard. Switch is not included with the module. What you will get with this module purchase is the module, a full installation video that shows you how to wire it into your truck to do exactly this. And don't worry, your reverse lights will still function perfectly normal when you need them. When you turn off the flashing, the reverse lights will go right back to OEM operation. So if you've got a Lariat, Platinum, King Ranch, or any of the XLTs with the real fancy LED package like this one, and you'd like to wig-wag your OEM lights like this one, and you'd like to have that bright white flash just like that, buy the kit. It's the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module. It's going to come with a detailed instructional video on how to exactly do this to this truck. Many other versions are available. Check the website. Again, Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module. This is a wire-in module. This is none of that plug-and-play stuff. You wire it in, and because it's a wired in, you get your alternation, left, right, left, right. Any of your plug-and-play units are simply going to flash both reverse lights together. This, the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module, lets you alternate your factory reverse lights and many other lights as well. So be sure to check the website for all the applications. Email in if you don't see an application that you need. And thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings with our all-new Auto Flasher module for the 2018 and newer F-150s with OEM LED lighting.